pretty much every single manufacturer's bringing their newest technology, the all-new cars and the existing lineups to introduce to the public. Kia Canada has been around for the last over 15 years, and I'm proudly can say Kia Canada is one of the fastest growing market in Canada, and our volume of the sales is actually proving it right now. Right, all new Sorrentos, Sedona, Optimas are selling like hotcakes nowadays. A lot of our customers comparing with higher up competitions out there to and then decided to pick Kia.
Auto show, our day for the auto show this year, and I was here 2 years ago for an auto show, and it's nice to have it in the spring because a lot of people are trading in vehicles and they want to get renewed for everything. I'm retired and I'm looking for a new vehicle, and the Ford Transit van is a big van which I'm planning to probably buy. This year I'm quite impressed with the Ford display so far, and I've seen Honda, which is quite nice. This auto show is quite impressive. It's going to be 5 days of it.
So what we're doing here today is we're just giving attendants here a chance to enter some ballots, fill out some ballots to win some prizes, and from that we're going to offer them some financial advice or financial services that a lot of people aren't really aware about, whether that's a way to reduce taxes, a way to save on your mortgage, a way to plan your estate, anything like that. Those are the kind of services that we provide to our clients. So really we're just out here trying to meet some new people, explain a little bit about those services that we do provide, and have a good time with them. So there's tons of cool cars here. I've been drooling over the Lambos for the entire time that I've been here. A lot of great attractions going on here today. Tons and tons of different cars, a lot of really knowledgeable people that are working here. So they're expected to have about 7,000 plus people here today.
The auto show is 50 years old, and Porsche's been here for most of those 50 years. I've personally attended the show for the last 15. The quality of the attendees and the quality of the conversations is very good. Porsche has been on a terrific run in North America over the last 4 years, with about 30% sales gains every year for the last 4 or 5 years. So Porsche's in a great position, and right now we're at about 6,000 cars, 6,500 cars for the calendar year 2015. So Porsche's a great brand. It's well represented here by Porsche Centre Calgary, and we're enjoying the show and enjoying a lot of conversations with our past and hopefully future clients.
I'm representing Distinctive Collection. We're the franchisees of Aston Martin and Bentley automobiles, the finest bespoke Grand Tours in the world. Our vehicles are all about power, beauty, soul, a complete hand-built car that just delivers every exhilarating feel that you need for the road. Here at the show, we're showcasing both flagships for Aston Martin and Bentley, the Bentley Mulsanne, and also the Aston Martin Vanquish in both coupe and volantes. The vehicles, we're anticipating a wonderful year of sales and also proudly awaiting the launch of the Bentley SUV, the Bentayga, which is going to prove to be the most powerful, luxurious, and fastest SUV on the market, as well as the new DB11, the second century Grand Tour, that's going to set the tone for Aston Martin's next generation of vehicles. So we'd like to invite you down. I'd like to give you a closer look of these wonderful cars and answer any questions that you may have.
We're here at the Calgary Auto Show for 2016. Very excited to be here. Have a lot of new product available for the 2016-2017 model years. So a new introduction as far as a couple different segments for Infiniti. The small compact crossover, we have a QX30 introduction, as well as a new coupe. We have the new Q60. We're the original Infiniti dealership in Calgary, 25 years this year. And very happy to be at the Calgary Auto Show as well. It's been excellent. We're getting a very strong turnout, and hopefully we're going to be able to keep it going as we get to the end of the week.